Carrot cake is not the regular cake that you see every day, but I just found out a recipe that is so easy that even if you haven't made carrot cake before in your life, you can make this recipe for you and your family at home and everyone will love it. Welcome back to my channel. I am using half cup of warm milk. You can use evaporated milk or semi-skim milk. I'm adding half cup of raisins. Some persons use nuts, but I decided to use raisins for my recipe. I'm using this carrot, 2 large size or big size carrot. I'm going to just scrape the skin off, rinse it properly, go on now to shred my carrots. This shouldn't take you more than 5 to 10 minutes to make. After you're done shredding your carrots, set your carrot aside. Now we are going now to the main process. This recipe is so easy because you're not using butter for this recipe. I added half cup of sugar and 3 eggs, and I'm going to mix it with my hand mixer. If you do not have a hand mixer but you have a regular hand mix, it's fine. I'm adding 85 ml of my vegetable oil. Any vegetable oil of your choice is fine. I added in my raisins that has been in my milk. I'm going on to mix it all up together. This will soften my raisins a bit and makes it more chewy in my carrot cake. I'm going to add in 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder and another teaspoon of baking soda, then a teaspoon of cinnamon. You can use cinnamon, you can use nutmeg, you can combine both, but I just use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This gives the carrot cake a very unique taste that everyone will love. After mixing all your ingredients together in your butter, we're going to go on now to add in our shredded carrot in generous amounts. Have you watched till this point and you haven't thumbs up this video? Do thumbs up this video, do like and share. Comment and tell me what you think about this recipe. It is so easy that anyone can make this at home. After mixing my carrot into my butter, I'm going to prepare my pan by greasing it with vegetable oil or with melted butter. Sprinkle a little bit of flour and make sure I add parchment paper to the base of my pan. This will prevent my cake from being burnt and makes it comes out easily out of my pan. Do not skip that part. The remaining carrot, I'm going to just add it at the top of my cake to make it exceptional. Bake at 280 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes or until your toothpick comes out clean. This is after 45 minutes of baking, and I had to check if my carrot was properly baked. If your toothpick or skewer comes out clean like this, you know your carrot cake is ready. If it doesn't come out immediately, just use a blunt knife or a wide knife. Just go around your pan with that and it will help your carrot slide out easily, or allow your cake to cool for a bit. It will cause it to sweat in the pan and just makes it slide out easily. The parchment paper also helps the cake from being stuck to your pan and also prevents your cake from being burnt. You can see our carrot cake is ready. I just love the shredded carrot added at the top of the carrot. It made it look really appealing and really appetizing. I'm going to go on now to just sprinkle a little bit of icing sugar at the top of my carrot. It gave you this top of class, as it made it look as if it's snow falling on top of your carrot cake. Yes, it is so easy. This can be a dessert for you and your family to enjoy during Christmas or any time of the year. It is an enjoyable cake recipe that you don't find every day, but it's so easy to make and so delicious. Don't worry, the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description box. Here is our carrot cake, guys. It looks so good. A bite of this is so satisfying. It's filling because of the carrots and the taste of the raisins alongside with the flavor of the cinnamon. All of these in your mouth. I can't tell you how it tastes. Just go and try it. Come back and tell me. Comment in the comment section if you're going to be trying out this recipe, and see you in my next one. Bye bye. Good to have you here. God bless you.